In this video, I just wanted to share this news with you that AWS RDS now supports M7G and R7G database instances. And here the G stands for Graviton. AWS Graviton processors are custom designed ARM-based processors developed by AWS for use in their cloud services. The Graviton processors are optimized for performance, power efficiency, and cost effectiveness in running various workloads in the cloud. And the prime reason why I'm excited about this announcement is that now, if you have a mission critical, very heavy Oracle database running in RDS, then if you utilize these Graviton instances, then I believe that you will gain a lot of performance kick out of it. Plus, there will be a lot of cost effectiveness involved too. Because remember, Oracle's licensing depends upon the course. Ever since its inception, Graviton has been a major differentiator among other processors and was adopted across a wide range of AWS services and by many happy organizations which I know. The initial Graviton processor, Graviton 1, was available in T4G, M6G processors. Later, Graviton 2 processors were launched and delivered a major leap in performance and capabilities over first generation processors. Now we have AWS Graviton 3, and these are the latest and greatest in the AWS Graviton processors family, and they provide up to 25% higher compute performance, 50% higher memory bandwidth, up to 2% higher floating point performance, up to 2% higher cryptographic performance, 3% faster machine learning inferencing, and 20% more enhanced network bandwidth. And there are a lot of other benefits too. Graviton 3 processors were available for EC2 and now they are available for RDS, MySQL, Postgres, MariaDB, Aurora MySQL, Postgres, and hopefully very soon for Oracle and SQL Server too. So I would highly suggest that you should take advantage of these Graviton 3 series processors, M7G and R7G instances family, and enjoy the better performance network bandwidth with far less cost. I hope that this was useful. If you have any comment or feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.